Welcome to Famety.com. Today we would like to introduce you to our tool, Facebook Bio Generator. Facebook Bio is important because it is the first thing a visitor reads on your page. Facebook Page Bio is a summary of your profile that can create a first impression of you for readers. Therefore, you need to write an impressive Facebook profile bio to draw the attention of Facebook users to your profile. If you have a business Facebook page, having an eye-catching business bio impacts potential customers. You can use effective descriptions on your Facebook business page to explain what you do and the quality of your service. Using a generator will help you in creating a professional bio for Facebook. Using the Facebook Bio Generator on Famety is quite easy. Choose the style of your Facebook bio by clicking the arrow in the Tone Style section. Choose Personal or Company by clicking the arrow in the Account Type section. Write a short description with a few words. Click the Generate button. Your Facebook bio will be ready in a few seconds. And that's it. Grab the attention of users and reach users quickly by creating a more optimized profile with our Facebook Bio Generator tool. Thanks for watching and see you in the next videos.